Bully. Panzer just gets bullied.
Poor Panzer. Hi! Hi, Roscoe. Oh! Oh, good Lord. Hi, Roscoe. This is Roscoe, Panzer's brother. Not ours. He came from the same litter as Panzer. And you can see the difference in size. And Roscoe has Panzer's toy and will not give it back. Like, hey. Be nice, you guys. He is. He's like, I'm not giving that back. Panzer, Roscoe.